Good morning. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks. It is Tuesday, April 1st at 6:50 in the morning. Happy April Fool's Day. We are continuing on with creating a coloring book, Volume 2, Ocean Critters. And I've gotten some new techniques, or one new one that's helped a lot on the curves. Instead of using my wrist to make the curves, I've been using my whole arm and just moving my arm around the curve, and that has seemed to stabilize some of my shakiness that I've had. This is all technique. I've been watching videos on how people draw and trying to figure out, well, how are they getting their lines so straight freehand. And you notice I do use a template every once in a while. I love this one, and it's helped a lot, but I'd like to do it freehand. And with the whale, I've done a lot of these freehand, as you can see, and it's come out pretty good. I feel a little more comfortable. When I start the inking, that's when I still get a little nervous, because that's permanent, and I don't know if I'll ever get over that feeling of picking up the pen and going, take a deep breath and start overlaying my pencil lines. But it's getting easier. As you notice, I'll do the bubbles without pencil. I try and do the sun and moon and stars just straight in ink, so I get them out of the way. It's not horribly stressful, but I just don't want to mess up the picture. It's actually kind of fun. But the humpback whale seemed to come along pretty nicely, and I decided on the humpback whale. I'm a huge Star Trek fan, and I just remember Scotty saying there'd be whales here in one of the Star Trek movies, and I really like them using the humpbacks as a theme to their movie. It was kind of cool, and decided to do a night scene here, just because there's no rhyme or reason as to why I would have done a night scene. I do like drawing the moon, and I get some comments every once in a while showing people my hard copy. They like the moon. If you like it, leave me a comment. Like and subscribe. Help me keep going with this. It's been fun. Early in the morning is a really good time for me to draw, and it seems to wake me up and get me going. I always do a little bit of research about the critters that I'm drawing. The whale, humpback whale, their songs can travel for miles. Their calves, their babies, they're born about 15 feet long, average, and over 2,000 pounds. It's pretty big. I did not know that no two humpback whale tails are the same. Each has its own pattern, just like a fingerprint on us. So this has also been a nice little learning experience to force me to learn some interesting facts about some of the critters I'm drawing. So it's been like a double dip of knowledge. The final drawing is about done here, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks.